Hello and welcome back to Farming Nature's Way. Today I'm going to be making a loaf of bread and I'm going to be using my bread maker to do that. A jawashi, I believe is how it's pronounced. I bought it used on eBay because I just wanted to test it out. You know, there's so many reviews out there on different types of bread machines. I elected this one because of the double paddles that are in the pan. They say that if it has a double paddle that it actually mixes the bread better. So that was why I chose that type. The recipe I'm going to be following is one that they say right out of their book. So I don't want to deviate from that since I'm using their machine. I'm going to be adding my water first. That's important because you do not want your yeast to get wet during this process. Followed by that, I am going to put my flour in. And it is a bread flour. I do use bread flour when I make bread. It's important to me. Once I have the bread in, then on top of that, I will put my sugar, followed by dried milk. Now you can buy dried milk, powdered form, just about everywhere. This is milk that I dried in my freeze dryer, so that's what I'm using today. Once I put that in, followed by salt, and then followed by my butter. And I just kind of cubed that up. It's still cold, so it's not melted. Then I'll be making a small indentation into the top of my flour where I'm going to put my yeast. Again, you don't want the yeast getting wet in the initial part of this process. So I'll put my active dry yeast into that I made, and that's all it takes. It's only a few minutes to put it together, and then the machine does the rest of the work. One of the things I like about this machine is it's easy to make choices of selecting different types of breads, as well as whether you want it darker or lighter. And it does have a keep warm process. So that's some of the things that I like about this particular bread maker. And we'll be back just after the bread is finished and I'll show you the end results of what we have. Okay, the bread is done and we are ready to try a piece. Get it out of here. It comes out pretty simply. And I have a bread slicer here that I like to use. I should put that there so you can see what I'm doing. And it made a nice loaf, as you can see. Nice even. Oh my gosh, it looks delicious. It's nice and light. Todd loves the heel. Beautifully done. Okay, I'm ready. Nothing like a nice hot piece of bread with butter on it. And we're going to put some barbecue pulled pork on it. That's what our plan is about that. So let me try it. Oh, it's very light and airy. Say it gets a 10 out of 10 from me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Put any comments or questions, and we'll see you next time. Thank you for stopping.